Hi guys, today I want to show you how to replace a battery in key fob from a Toyota Prius. So first you need to pull this lock and hold it, and at the same time when you pull you must remove the key from the key fob. Then turn key fob to other side, and to open it you must slide the back of the key fob, but you must hold the lock and then push. The bottom cell battery is under this small plastic cover. You need very small Phillips screwdriver and unscrew 4 screws to remove battery. Battery type is CR2032. So the putting back the slide, the plastic slide, you must hold the lock, and same for the key. When you push it you must hold the lock and then push inside. All done. Thank you for watching.